more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Boblong kita. Thank you.
So, buffet tayo ngayon.
Boblo lang po,
Ang
Father.
first round ay isa-serve. No? Serve.
Father, blow the candle.
Kasunod ay free for all na tayo.
One more. Thank you. One
So,
more.
pwede na magsimula sa buffet.
Isa pa.
Siguro, ladies first at yung mga birthday celebrants natin.
Father Edwin, happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday, Father. Father Toto, kain na po kayo, Father Toto. Father Edwin.